to Otisam Mathematics. I'm starting a new series in Coleman as variation, and we have 4 types of variation, and I'm starting with direct variation. So let's start with this question. Q varies directly as the cube of P. When P is 3, Q is 2 whole number 1 and 4. We have to find the relationship between P and Q, and so determine the value of P when Q is. So one thing about variation is always write the variation equation. So Q varies directly as the cube of P, so we can write it as Q. This is the variation symbol. But when you write this, it has no meaning. Yes, they are related, but how are they related? So we introduce a constant. So Q is equal to P cube, where K is constant, and initial values of the variables involved will be given. We know that P is 3, and then Q is 2 whole number 1 over 4, which is 9 over 4. So let's substitute and then find our. So we have Q is 9 over 4, which is equal to K times 3K. Now we want to find K. So K will be, let's divide both sides by this. 9 over 4 over 3 cube is 27. And this is the same as 9 over 4 times 1 over 27. So now we'll go here 1, and now we'll go here 3. So we have K to be 4 times 3 is 12, 1 over 12. So the relationship between P and Q becomes Q is equal to 1 over 12 P cube. And we have to find the value of P. So Q is 5 whole number 1 on 3, which is 16 on 3. We don't know P. So let's substitute them. So which implies that 16 on 3 is equal to 1 over 12 times P cube. So we can cross multiply, which is 3P cube is equal to 16 times 12. Divide both sides by 3. 3 will go here 4. So we have P cube, which is equal to 16 times 4 is 64. So by indices, we can say that P cube is equal to 4 cube. Now the powers are the same, so we equate the base as is in indices. So therefore our P is equal to 4. Let's look at the next question. The income I of a public worker is directly proportional to the square of the amount A of fruit he can buy for the family. If I is 2, when A is 2, find the amount of money he might spend on fruit in February if he received 128 Ghana cedis. So the income here is directly proportional to the square of the amount A. So let's write the variation equation. Income is directly proportional to the amount. So as I said in the first question, we need to introduce our constant. So I is equal to B A squared, where B is constant. So we know I is 2 when A is also 2. So we substitute them. So from the question, I is 2 and then A is 2. Let's substitute them. So 2 is equal to B times 2 squared. So we have 2 is equal to 4B. Divide both sides by 4. So our B, 2 go here 1, 2 go here 2, is 1 1. So we first establish the relation. So I will be equal to 1 over 2 A squared. So we have to find the amount the income has been given. So I is equal to 128. A we don't know. So let's substitute them. 128 is equal to half A squared. Now to find A, let's first cross multiply. So 128 times 2 is equal to A. So our A is equal to A squared. A squared is equal to 128 times 2 is 256. So A is equal to square root of 256. So our A becomes square root of this is 60. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted.